Hello again. The hand drill has a technical problem, so I will use an electrical one. We will drill those holes to the size of the screws, the diameter of the screws. And then we will make that the head of the screw also can find a place. 90 degrees, go down, drill down, straight down. Pull it out from time to time. Okay, I will show you then how to make the nests for the head of the screw. We use this kind of drill, soevereinen, it's called in Dutch. Just a little bit, don't make it too much. And then we try if the screw finds its nest. A little bit more, should be a little bit more. And then we just take the screw this way and look if it wants to fit. Here yes, here no. We give a little bit more. Oop, like this, that's enough. No, it's not enough. A little bit more even. Yes. Perfect. I won't change it. These screws, by the way, are all recuperation screws. None I bought in the shop. I'll show you how they look like when they are in their nests. And that's all you need to know. There's nothing more. Next step would be to mark the lines. I'll draw it down. You mark down the center lines on the cupboard. Center lines for where the support should come. I should note that there are 8 planks, so that means there are 9 spaces in between them. 9 spaces between the planks. Eight. Three, space, 4, space, 7, 8 spaces, 9 spaces. To make it clear, I hope it is readable. There are 8 planks. That means that there are 9 spaces. That means that the length of the long side planks should be divided by 9. And like that you can find the center lines. And from these center lines you just mark the center lines on the end grain of each support of both sides, and then you know, and then you just put it on the plank and you know where it has to come. The next step would be putting the screws loose in them and get a small hammer, a little one. Doesn't have to be a very heavy one, just a small hammer. And then you even can use a clamp. With little clamps, put a clamp on each side, and then give one good tap. And then you have marked where the place where you have to pre-drill. I have to pre-drill in this case because those sides of the cupboard, the long planks, are from a tropical wood, which is kinda hard. If you don't pre-drill, you risk that the wood will tear apart, which after so much work I absolutely want to avoid. In pine you don't have to. In pine wood, soft pine wood, it will find its way without pre-drilling. You just start screwing and it will find its way. Screw. So then we will mark those holes, pre-drilled them, and we won't mount them. These supports we won't mount them on the long planks. We will then sand everything, round everything, make sure that everything is rounded and good sanded, and we will make it dust free and then give it 2 to 3 coats of a good varnish. No paint. I don't like paint in this case because it's beautiful wood and I want to show the wood. I want it to be visible. I will show you how to make those center lines and pre-drill the holes for these supports in another video. And also the varnishing I will show you quickly. I will give you some tips how to obtain a good result when varnishing. Thanks for watching.